Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of availability. The quality of being able to be used or obtained. For example, turkey producers had been losing sales because of the all-year-round availability of beef. American pronunciation. Availability. Availability. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Availability. Say. Availability. Availability means quality of being able to be used or obtained. Availability. Availability. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Food availability was not an issue. Now, repeat after me. Food availability was not an issue. The second practice. Accurate prediction of fertilizer nitrogen availability will be difficult. Now, repeat after me. Accurate prediction of fertilizer nitrogen availability will be difficult.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.